welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a part 2 to the haul that I did a few weeks back. I did an Abercrombie haul in that video and I tried the infamous traveler dress. Now I got the dupe from Old Navy and I also found a bunch of other things that I love. So I wanted to show you those items and compare the traveler dress to the Old Navy dupe. And stay tuned because it's good. Before I get into the traveler dress dupe, I wanted to show you these shorts that I got because they were in the front of the store when I was trying on the dress, and I have been looking for a pair of white denim shorts like for the last few years and I haven't been able to find any that I really liked. Even Abercrombie, they had a few, but they didn't have my size in stock, and I love the Abercrombie jeans. I'm wearing the shorts right here. These are the 4-inch mom shorts, and I really love those. Highly recommend. They're in my other haul. But I thought I would try these white shorts from Old Navy because they are great quality, and honestly, they were $17. They were on sale when I was in the store, so I couldn't pass them up. I will say they don't fit as well as the Abercrombie shorts. I love how high-waisted these are, and I get the curve love, so they fit my hips, and then they also fit my waist really snug in a good way. These shorts are really great quality, but the fit is not quite the same. I am gonna get them taken in the waist just a little bit to fit a little bit more snug, but they are really great quality. And something that I really like about them is that the pockets are actually like nude color, and so you don't see like the white outline. So I thought that was a small little detail that just showed a little bit more thought when these shorts were created, and I really like them. I don't find that they are sheer when I wear them, and I feel really comfortable in them. They have a good amount of stretch and they are a comfortable length for me. So for $17, I was like, why not? Let me just try these because I have been on the hunt for the perfect white shorts for quite a while. These are them. I really like the length on them. They're not too short. They provide good coverage in the back. My only comment, as I mentioned, is that the waist is not as cinched in as some of my Abercrombie shorts that I really like, but I think I can solve that by just altering them a little bit. And they are high-waisted. They're just not as high as some of my other shorts. They go right to my belly button, so I'll probably wear them with a longer top than this crop top, but I already had it on, so it wasn't gonna change. And these are them. Like I said, the pocket is like a nude color, so you don't see it through, and for $17, you can't go wrong. Okay, I do have a stack here of really pretty sundresses, but I won't keep you waiting, and I'll dive in to the traveler dupe. I tried 2 styles, one in black, and I went with a color, although as you can see, this is very bright pink. This is the style that I would compare more so to the Abercrombie traveler dress, and I think it offers a really great fit. The only reason why I'm not going to keep it is because this color, I thought I wanted to be adventurous, but I think it's just way too outside of my comfort zone, so I am gonna send it back. However, I do find that this material is super soft and the fit is really great. Another reason why I'm sending this back is because this one, oh, I'm obsessed with this dress. This one here has a higher neck, so it just offers a really cute style. I think that suits me. I do have a longer neck, and you can even see with the shirt that I'm wearing today, a higher neckline just suits me really well. The straps are adjustable. They also unclip so that you can crisscross them. I find it a little bit annoying because I don't want to crisscross them, so sometimes they come unclipped. I might just stitch them shut so that I don't have that problem anymore. But this one is a lot more like a tennis style, so it has more of a flared skirt. It has a rounded hem. But on both of them, the material is the same. It's phenomenal. I really love this material. I actually prefer it over the traveler dress from Abercrombie because it's just more of like a soft athletic material, and that's just what I was expecting. And then the last thing that just makes this the perfect dress for me is that the chest does have removable pads, and that's something that I really love because for me, I could just throw this on, it's one piece, and I don't have to think about wearing a bra, and it just gives me that little bit of comfort, and I just love that. And it really is the perfect dress to just wear on a hot day and be super comfortable. I've worn it a ton. I absolutely love this, and go check it out because when I bought it, it was 50% off, so it came to $32. I think that is such a great price for such a staple in my summer wardrobe. This is my favorite. I live in this summer. I love that the skirt is a round hem and it flares out. It's so comfortable. I like the high neck, and it has shorts underneath. Fits perfectly, and there's a pocket on this side so you can fit your phone. So comfortable. I love this. I love it, I love it. Try to get your hands on it because it's my favorite. Okay, try not to be distracted by this color. Let's focus on the fit because I'm not vibing with this color either. It's just too bright for me. It is a highlighter pink. It's a little bit baggy in the body, which I think it's designed to be that way. It fits me really nicely along the top. Even the straps fit me really well, even though they're not adjustable. Which is surprising. Everything is always a little bit too long on the straps just because I'm not very tall. I'm 5'3". Yeah, that's my only complaint. It's just a little bit loose. Otherwise, this fits really nicely. Same, has a pocket on this side, but it's very comfortable. It's the same length all the way around. Super cute. Now, it's totally personal preference if you like the neckline on this a little bit better and that the cut is more of a straight skirt. Totally up to you. I think both are awesome, and I would definitely reach for these if you can get your hands on one over the traveler dress, in my opinion. Honestly though, it's personal preference because I have friends that love the traveler dress for the reasons why I don't like it, and so it really is just personal preference. I really, really love these Old Navy dupes. Okay, moving on to this pile of sundresses. They were having an awesome sale when I purchased. I think everything was 30% off, and they're already really affordable prices. So I had to just get my hands on quite a few simple summer dresses that are just so easy and pretty to wear in the summertime. Although, can you believe it's already August? Like, I don't know where the summer has gone. It's flown by. Okay, I'll start with my absolute favorite. This one here, I was looking for a really pretty white dress, and this is it. It has such a feminine little lace sleeve. The top is fitted with an elastic. I like that the neckline is ever so slightly of a V, and that it has a thicker strap. The bottom of it is flowy, and it is a midi length dress with a little, is this a peplum hem? I don't know how you would call it, but it kind of goes out on the bottom, and it's just a really feminine look and a really pretty silhouette. This dress is double lined, so I don't find it too sheer, although I would wear neutral undergarments so that you don't see through. And then there actually are pockets in the dress which offer a really comfortable fit. However, the pocket is just white lining, and so I do find that you can see the pocket through the dress when you're wearing it. But if that doesn't bother you, then I highly recommend. And as you can tell, it's a really lightweight cotton linen material, which I think is perfect for a really hot summer day. I love this dress. It's so cute and flowy. Probably look better with a pair of heels. Should have put some on. But it fits me really nicely throughout my chest to my waist, and then it flows out, and I just think it's so feminine and pretty. And the little sleeves, very cute. As I mentioned, it's not sheer. You could wear a slip underneath just to be safe, but I don't find it too sheer, and it has pockets. This is such a pretty white dress for this summer. Like, I think everyone needs a white dress in their wardrobe, and it's so pretty and feminine. I love this. This next dress here, I think it's gonna be a staple. It's a heavier cotton linen material, like it has more weight to it than the previous dress. I could only get my hands on it in black, but it also came in white and I think a pink color. It's so pretty. It's a spaghetti strap with a tied knot in the center, and then it's just a flared bottom. It also has pockets. I think every dress that I purchased here has pockets, which is just really convenient and also just gives you a more relaxed fit. But this is such a feminine little dress, adjustable straps, and has an elastic back for a little bit more of a tighter fit on the top. This is just such a simple black dress that is like perfect for any occasion. If you don't know what to wear, this is the dress. This is so cute. I love the little bow detail. I just think this is so feminine and like cute for a date night with a pair of heels, but it's so soft and comfortable. You can take this from day to night super easily. And this is like a thicker linen. Do not mind that it's not ironed. It needs to be ironed, but it's so pretty. I love this. A part of me is not sure if I like the little cutout here. Like I kind of wish that it didn't have it, but at the same time it adds a little something extra, but the bows are really cute. This next one here is a faux denim. It's like that cotton linen material that the other dresses were made out of as well, but it has an elastic off the shoulder neckline with a half sleeve. Has a very similar silhouette to the last dress where it just cinches at the waist and flares out. And it's also about the same length, but the back of the dress is what makes this so cute because it's an open back and it ties with a bow and it's so cute. And once again, it has pockets. I love the color on this and I love the sleeves. You can definitely wear it off the shoulder, which it's probably meant to. But my favorite part is the back. So cute with the bow. But I almost think that the front, like, is it too plain? Maybe when I wear it off the shoulder, it adds a little something extra. Is the front too plain, or but does the back make up for it? Because it's super cute in the back. I'm just not sure, but these dresses are such great quality for the price. Like, I'm really surprised. I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? I think with my hair in the front, it's cute. And it can't tell that it's like so plain in the front. But then the back is so cute. And the length is really nice, just above the knee. This dress here is kind of similar because again, it has a tied back with a bow. Similar length, but it's a lighter weight, more of like a true linen material here. Also has pockets and is double lined, but I do find it to be more sheer than the other white dress, so just wear appropriate undergarments or a slip underneath. That's what I would recommend. I do really like the thicker straps on this dress. This dress is really cute and super simple. It's a lot more flowy because it starts up just underneath the bust, so there's a lot more like to the skirt. But the best part again is the back. How cute, the same little tie. This is so sweet, but I think I'm gonna return it because I'm gonna keep the first white dress. But this is cute, and also like there's so much room in this skirt. It would be cute for someone who is expecting a baby too. So for that reason, I'm gonna return it. And then the last dress in this haul is a halter. This reminds me of a shirt that I used to have as a child that I really loved. It's the same coral shade, and I also have a swimsuit this shade, so I thought this would be pretty even as a cover up. So it's a simple halter, just ties at the back, has cinching on the neckline, kind of a heart neckline, so it's very flattering, and then the back has an elastic cinch, and then very similar silhouette to the other dresses where it cinches at your under the bust and then flares out to a shorter hemline. This dress is probably more of a bathing suit cover up in my opinion, just because it's not double lined in the material. It does have a thicker weight to it. It's probably comparable to the black dress, but you may run into issues with it being sheer in direct sunlight. I love this one. For this color alone, I'm keeping it. It's definitely not as bright as that neon pink. It has a cute little pocket, some ruching detail just to add a little bit of something on the front, and it's a halter, so it ties on the top. You can tie it as tight or as loose as you want. And this is so pretty. Don't mind all the wrinkles. It'd probably look even better if I ironed it, but just for the purpose of this try on, I really like this. This is cute. And I know that I mentioned it may be a little bit sheer in direct sunlight. So I'm gonna wear a slip underneath it just because it's not double lined at all. It's just this one layer. It's pretty thick linen, but I'm gonna, just to be safe, wear a slip underneath, or like a skirt. I just purchased one from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, just so I can wear it underneath some of these dresses with a little bit more confidence. But this is so cute and really like it. I usually mention my sizes throughout. I didn't do that while I was going through. I'll list everything down below along with a link to it so you can check it out and shop it for yourself if you're interested. All of the dresses are size extra small. I do find that Old Navy runs a little bit larger than, I would say, Abercrombie. If you're just comparing, but the extra small does fit me in most instances. And actually this black traveler dress dupe, I actually got in a size small because I purchased it in store. I couldn't get my hands on an extra small, and both seem to work for me. So sometimes in the summer when it's really hot out, you don't want to wear anything too form-fitting or tight anyways. So that's about it for my haul. Like I mentioned, everything will be linked down below. That's about it for shopping for me this summer. I'm cut off. Next we'll move on to the fall. But honestly, all of this was very affordable. And so it kind of made it easy to add a few extra things to my cart just to try them out. But I'm going to be sending a couple of things back. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my next upcoming videos because I do have some exciting life updates. I have a couple of videos that are going up in different orders, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already so you are notified when I post next. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!